fast isn't very fast.
It is fast, okay? I can only go so fast.
Lady seems to disagree. See that look of disapproval? Ready?
Ready. Where's our first stop in Pennsylvania?
Walmart.
What are we going to Walmart for?
Because I heard there's some of the nicest Walmarts in the Northeast.
Left, then turn right.
We just thought, you know, we should check out the Walmart just to see what it's like.
Oh, and you forgot the pillows.
And we forgot the pillows.
That was actually one of the nicer Walmarts I've ever been to. She said to go where?
To the right of 0. Or left of 0. Well, she said. See any. So this is it right here.
Go to the back one. We beat that by like... We literally just finished setting up. And now we got these crazy storms going on. It's raining outside, so we're dining in.
Diners, drive-ins, and drive.
Oh, yeah, and we're eating with Guy tonight. And fish, well, she gets dog food.
Finish your food.
Say hi. So we're at Presque State Park.
Erie, PA.
It's cold. It was 80 degrees when we got here yesterday. It's 40 something right now and windy.
It's cold, but super pretty.
Yeah, if you get a chance to come here, this is...
Definitely will come back.
We're currently walking in
Lake Erie.
Lake Erie Arboretum, or
I don't know, some
Arbor
parkway.
something for trees. It's supposed to have like 200 and some species of trees. This is at Frontier Park, Frontier Street.
Yeah.
Probably should know. It's beautiful.
We'll put it in here. Yeah, it's super nice.
A lot of
A
colorful
lot of different trails.
stuff going on here. I mean, just look at this. Let me flip this around.
I think I'm learning the camera. Finally found a good opportunity to take a video. I had the lens on. It wasn't zoomed out. It's hard to be his co-pilot.
So Mel and I are surprisingly blown away by Pennsylvania.
Love it here.
I've been here before. It's not like it's new. We've been to the IKEA.
We've been down here.
We've been to the casino.
We've been to Pittsburgh. But Erie?
Erie is
Holy crap.
amazing. So we're currently at this campground, Sara's campground, and the other half of it is more on the beach and tent sites on the beach, which are cool. First come, first serve. There's actually a, if you can see it, there's actually a water park and roller coaster behind, one roller coaster behind us.
And then the beach right over there.
And then the beach right down there. No one's counting other than us, but we said we had one more camping trip the last time we did this.
2 weekends ago.
But then Tuesday or Wednesday, Mel woke up and said, do you want to go to Erie this weekend? So we showed up here. So we actually have one more camping trip
One more.
next weekend, and then we're definitely done because we have to put the camper away before winter.
Do we?
We do. We need to winterize it. We'll make some pizza pies.
Watch some Potter.
Watch
You
some
know,
Potter. Normal camping things.
Saturday night.
We're already talking about how next year we'll have to come here more in the summer and stuff. This place would be fun. The beach is so close. I mean, this is a 2-minute walk from our campsite, if that. Yeah, pretty much across the street. And we're here. We're staying at the same campground, but just different lot. This is more permanent on this side.